Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel home of luxury,
innovation and automotive dreams on wheels. Today, we're stepping inside the world's most expensive motorhomes of 2026, the kind that make private jets look basic and five-star hotels seem ordinary. Just imagine, cruising down the highway in a rolling mansion worth over $5 million, where every corner whispers luxury and every detail screams perfection. From handcrafted leather to smart glass walls, these 2026 motorhomes are built for the elite few who believe travel shouldn't mean compromise. It should mean dominance. Let's open the door and step inside. As you walk in, the living area welcomes you like a luxury penthouse. Italian leather recliners, ambient LED strips that follow your mood, and a 98-inch 4K OLED TV rising smoothly from the cabinet. Controlled entirely by voice or gesture, the panoramic windows tint automatically as the sun moves, creating that perfect cozy vibe anywhere on Earth. Move a little further and you enter the kitchen, and trust me, this is no RV setup. We're talking full marble countertops, touch-activated faucets, a hidden refrigerator that blends with the cabinets, and even an induction stove that syncs with the onboard AI to adjust power usage based on your route. It's high-tech luxury built for the road. Next stop, the bedroom suite. A king-size memory cloud bed, surrounded by soft backlighting, a 360 smart sound system, and even a skylight that can switch between clear, dim, and star view modes. You don't just rest here, you live like royalty. Now step into the bathroom where spa-level comfort meets futuristic design. Heated floors, rainfall shower with aromatherapy, and a digital mirror that displays time, weather, and your next destination. This is relaxation redefined. Every inch of these 2026 motorhomes has been crafted to perfection. A combination of power, comfort, and exclusivity. Some are powered by hybrid electric drivetrains, offering silent luxury with zero compromise on performance. Others even feature solar roofs and AI-driven navigation that learns your travel habits. This isn't just luxury on wheels. This is a revolution in motion, a new definition of what it means to travel first class. So if you're ready to experience the ultimate ride, buckle up, because 2026 is the year motorhomes become mansions. This is Auto Plus, bringing you the world's most exclusive automotive masterpieces. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing luxury rides.